Morning guys, quick and easy breakfast idea here. We're gonna do this in the microwave, cook some eggs up, turn it into kind of an omelet. Now I'm not going for lean meat, I'm just eating some eggs, but this is gonna be super quick, maybe only 3 minutes or so. 2 eggs, boom, boom. And we're gonna mix in a little bit of salsa. The fresh stuff is always the best stuff. You know, some pico de gallo, maybe a little spice, but sometimes this is all you got. Mix that up. It's gonna go in the microwave for 90 seconds. Always make sure you cover it in the microwave because eggs have a tendency to get a little explodey. But here's 90 seconds. Check that out. It's just a little bit soft underneath, which you might like that. But I like to cook it through. So now I'm gonna put the guac in. And then some cheese. I'm gonna go in with ½ an ounce. About perfect right there. Now, you just cut up the egg a little bit. And we're only putting it back in for somewhere between 15 and 30 seconds. You might even just do 15 at a time. The goal is to warm up the guac and melt the cheese a little bit. Beautiful. Now it's this awesome, creamy, stringy breakfast or lunch omelet. I mean, you can do this in the break room microwave at work and just takes a couple minutes. What a great meal.